And here we have Sky the Weathercat's first experience storm spotting. You can tell how curious he is, looking around, sniffing the air, listening to all the different new sounds.
So what do you think of the weather, kitty? What do you think, Sky? Totally different world out here, isn't it? Listen to all those sounds.
If you've made it this far, I have to say I really appreciate it, and I want to say thank you very much for even taking the time to watch my little videos. I'm just getting started. If you like this content, be sure to follow, subscribe, like, do all the things, so that way you don't miss out on any kitty content or our future adventures.